It's not long time that we entered Guduchi. It's only 2.5 years. And I came with lot of pains, can't tell, acidity and everything. I had skin disorders, acidity. I was very lean. I didn't had hair at all. And now really I'm healthy. And here the staff and our doctors, Dr. Yamuna and her associates, they all are very nice, sweet. They cure our diseases with their speech only. Half the diseases will come down with their speech and their, even the staff, everyone are very good. And my husband, he had a rare problem. He is out of it. To be very happy, I'm telling this, he had ITP. He used to take lots of steroids and steroids. Now he is without a single steroid. He is hale and healthy. We are very happy. Guduchi is our family, one of our family. And Dr. Yamuna, God's grace, we met her. That's it. I can't tell more than this. God's grace.
Just when I entered Guduchi, everything came.
Confidence.
I got confidence, but when we visit our doctors, half our every fear, everything will come down. Doctor is very nice. Now I am fine, all right. Everything is normal for me. I'm leading a happy life now.
Healthy and happy is. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you. Thank you, Guduchi.